video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hey guys, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a custom loading screen for our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. You just have to click over here and get the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here, just like this. Now open the file, go to HTML. Then config.js. From here you can change the server's name. So I'll be changing it to Zexus. And from here you can change the color of the UI. So I'll be keeping it default for now. And there are much more configurations over here which you can configure according to your preference. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Now open the sets folder. Then go to images. From here you can choose the image or change the image according to your preference. Go to audio. And from here you can change the music of the loading screen. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So this is the loading screen which we have installed into our FiveM server. As you can see, from here you can lower the volume or pause the music. And these are the server rules over here. You can configure them from the config.js. And from here you can add your Discord server's link and your website's link. So that is for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.